In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in the Microsoft Teams mobile app. With the rise of remote work and virtual meetings, the ability to share your screen directly from your mobile device has become invaluable. Whether you're conducting a business presentation, collaborating with a colleague, or providing technical support, this feature can help make your tasks easier and more efficient. First, you'll want to ensure that you have the Microsoft Teams app installed on your mobile device. This app is available for both iOS and Android, so head to your respective app store and download it if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your credentials. Now let's get started by joining a meeting. You can either start a new meeting or join an existing one, depending on your needs. To initiate a meeting, select the Meet option from the app's main menu. You can enter a meeting name and invite participants as needed, or you might simply join an existing meeting from your calendar or chat. After you've entered the meeting, navigate to the control bar at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find the More icon, which typically looks like three dots. Tap on it to reveal additional options. From this menu, you'll see the Share option. Go ahead and tap on Share to begin the process of screen sharing. At this point, the app will ask you what exactly you'd like to share. Depending on your needs, you can choose to share your entire screen or choose from specific documents or apps that are open on your device. Be sure to select the content you want your audience to focus on during your presentation. Once you've made your selection, a confirmation dialog will appear. This is a security measure to ensure you're ready to go live with your screen share. By confirming, your screen will now be visible to other meeting participants. It's a good idea to let them know that you are about to start sharing, just to avoid any surprises. During the screen share, you can navigate through your presentation, demonstrate a certain app, or highlight any document effortlessly. Don't worry if you need to pause the share temporarily. You have the option within the app to stop or resume sharing as needed. To conclude your screen sharing, simply return to the meeting control bar. Tap the red Stop Sharing icon and your screen will no longer be visible to the other attendees. It's always good practice to thank participants for their attention and perhaps provide a summary of what was discussed. By following these steps, you'll be able to use the Microsoft Teams mobile app to share your screen like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to